going to show you how you can download Google Chrome on your PC. For this, open Internet Explorer. Now type Google Chrome in the search bar and click on Web Search. Click here. Now click on Download Chrome. Click on it, accept and install. Now you can see the downloading has started. Now click on Run. Now you can see the setup of Chrome is downloading. After completing the download, it will automatically open the Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.